So guys, what's up? This is Panda here. This will be my first YouTube series on Java programming. Um, the, for a disclaimer, I do have a speech impediment that causes me to stutter and stammer over my words. So if you don't you don't want to hear me do that, and would like someone else to teach you, um, I would recommend going to 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 the New Boston's channel and checking him out. The link to his channel will be down in the description. So for this first episode, we will be learning how to set up Java, your 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 development environment and how to write your first program. Uh, to start off, let's go to your browser and then type down Java S uh, JDK and click on the Java the Oracle link and then go to Java JDK and we will be using JDK 8 um 8 8 AU60. Just the the accept license agreement. And for me, I am running Windows 64. You can check that by going to your start menu, go down to computers and right click it, go to properties, and this will be your your uh, your uh, 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 your the bits to your uh, operating system. Um, for uh, for um for 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 Windows 32, you will be using the Windows x86, and for me, I got 64, so I will be using Windows x64. So just click on it and download it. It might take a while, so just let it run. Mm. While this download, I might cut the video in several places so that it'll go by faster for you. But at the moment, just let it download, run it. Uh, now, just wait. So, okay, you might come up to a window like this. Just press next and just let it download. I'll fast forward through this, so just hang tight, guys. Now, 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 as it's finished, just click close. And since mine was downloaded there, I'll just delete it. Um, go to your computer, or you could have just go to start menu and right click computer and go to properties, and then go to advanced settings. Go to environment, um, the um, variables. Since mine have it already, I, I'm gonna actually just delete it, and then um, open your File Explorer, go to Computers, C drive, and your program files, and scroll down until you find Java, and um, go to um, go to JDK 1.8.0 underscore 60. Go in there and right click your bin folder, go to properties, and just copy this in. And go back to your environment variables, click new, then type down path with a capital P, paste that in, and then do backslash bin. Okay. And after that, go back to your browser and 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 um and um and, and for this tutorial we will be using IntelliJ, and just click on download, and you can buy the Ultimate Edition, or use the Community Edition. For this tutorial, we will be using the Community Edition, so just click on download it. And since since um since mine have it already, um I won't be downloading it, but y'all should pause the video here and finish that download. When 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 you're finished, just just run it, and you see something like this. Let this finish loading. Okay, so mine has almost finished loading up. I just gotta let my project load in before I can show y'all what happens next. Um, but um, but um, uh, but um, but um, when y'all first launch IntelliJ, you won't be seeing something like this. You'll be seeing something more like of what I'm about to show you if it would respond correctly. Okay, so let me close out this project that I'm doing. Okay, so where where when your first launch um IntelliJ, you'll see something like this, but without the without the excuse me, without the list of list of projects over here. So to start off, um your first your first project with IntelliJ, um just click on create new project, and go up to project SDK, and make sure yours is a Java version 1.8.0 underscore 60. Mine is 1.7.0. So I have to make a new one. If if uh if 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 y'all don't have it, just click on new and go to your C drive. Go down to program files, Java, and then just select on. It hasn't updated for me yet, but yeah, just click on JDK 60, JDK 1.8.0 60, and then click OK. And that's gonna be it'd be kind of similar to yours. And click on next. Click on next again. And for this, we will name it. I'm gonna make a path for it in my um 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 external drive, and I'm gonna name it Java tutorials. And then within there, I'm gonna make another folder and name it tutorial one. Oh, I forgot the number one. Uh, how do I? Actually, I'll just do it from my file explorer. So Java tutorial, and then change it to tutorial one. Okay. So yeah, tutorial one, and that will be the name of our project also, tutorial one. And click finish. And it's gonna be um indexing. Um, just it just I let it run for a while. I might fast forward through this a little bit so that it doesn't take up too much time. Okay, now that it's finished indexing, you can see it's pretty similar to what what it was when I first launched the IntelliJ IDE, but without all the codes here. So right here is your projects. Uh, yeah, right here is your projects. You can change it to like packages or stuff like that. But you don't have to worry about that. Uh, Let me see if I have the right setting set up. I'm gonna fast forward through this a little bit so y'all don't have to see me going through my settings to see if they're correct, but they should be. Now, I might not fast forward through that actually. Just click on the little drop down arrow next to your tutorial one. Go down to source or your SRC. Um, right click it, new, and then Java class. Um, for this Java class, I'll name it Bamboo because I'm a panda and I like bamboos. Okay, so for your first, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So for your if for your first program, we are gonna be writing a simple hello world uh program, which is pretty common when you start learning new um a new programming language. It's just the common thing to do, I guess. So for Java, Java needs a method called your main method when you start to run a eh, when 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 you start to run eh, your application. That's what the system looks for is your main method, and from there it's gonna execute your codes and everything. So to call upon your main method, all you need to do is public static void main um, open parentheses string um, brackets. This make it a array and close it and open your 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 squiggly brackets and close it down here. Um, some people prefer to to have their brackets looking something like this, but for me, I prefer it like this because it's simpler to read in my opinion. But that's completely up to y'all. Okay, so to print something out to your console or to your screen, you do system dot out. Actually, I'll just type it system dot out dot print um, ln uh, your parentheses and then a semicolon, right? Semicolon, yeah, semicolon, and then uh, put quotes within your parentheses and put hello world. So yeah, and now to test it, up to run and click run and click on the class that has your main method, which is my bamboo class, and it's gonna be making it. Let that run for a bit. Okay, so this is your console in IntelliJ, and and um as you can see here, it printed out "Hello World" like we told it to. Okay, so this is actually with with um with um with um with IntelliJ, you have something called code completion. As you can see, is these right here. It's gonna search for whatever fits best, and then it'll suggest it to you. So basically, instead of just typing out system dot out dot print line and stuff like that. Oh wow, I can't type today. Um, you can just do s, and since system is here, press enter dot and and um and uh and we want it out, so out dot. You can do print or print line, but they're but but um but but they're pretty much the same thing. Print is just when print is just when you print, it'll print out on the same line and doesn't break through the lines for you. But for that, we'll cover it in the next episode along with several other things. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Pandaism, and I'm gonna go eat some bamboo.